On the table, thank you.
You need to talk this out, right? You have to talk about it, or Marilla's gonna say sorry, right? It's too quiet.
Now I'm back. But I'm not so sure.
You're back?
How dare you sneak around listening to my private conversation?
I wasn't listening. I was sleeping.
So you're lazy and a snoop.
It was too late to go home last night. There was so much work because Mr. Cuthbert was away.
No, the lady brought it to me yesterday when she was distressed. Why anyone would worry over you is a mystery for sure.
Yeah, Marilla is so worried.
I'm really glad you're back, Anne. Well, you're the only one. Well, Matthew seems to be, but he must have talked her into it. Don't say that, Anne. Sure, it's not true.
Yeah.
Miss Cuthbert wasn't happy to see me at all. She didn't care a whit. But Rachel Lynn told Mother that Miss Cuthbert was torn asunder after you left. Not possible. Miss Cuthbert was so upset Rachel Lynn feared she'd take sick. Not possible.
It's possible, and
At least you're home.
oh, I'm glad that they're really friends. At first, I thought that this girl is just putting a show because her mother told her so. But I'm glad that they're really friends.
And I don't mean
love
to
that.
seem ungrateful, but I feel they could send me away at any moment. But now that it's all settled, why would they?
Yeah.
I just don't want to get too attached. Not if it's all going to disappear.
My. Looks like the Cuthberts have picked up a stray.
Stray dog.
What?
No
What
need
the?
to be uncharitable. Do you suppose they mean for her to be a daughter or a servant?
Doesn't she have awful red hair? I
What?
wonder if she'll be tending school.
Oh, other people
Where's
are
the
so
rope up to?
rude.
I hear they plucked her from an asylum in Nova Scotia.
A lunatic asylum.
Orphanage. Well, of course, it could turn out to be one and the same.
These people are so judgmental and so bad. I don't.
Persevere.
Those people are so bad.
Why would you send for me if you didn't even want me?
But we do want you, Anne.
Well, it's obvious you don't. I don't know what to do.
I wonder, will you forgive me? I am very sorry, Anne. When the brooch went missing, I was quick to judge. But what's worse is that I pushed you to fib. What else were you to do? Of course, I know now that you were telling the truth. You are a truthful girl, Anne, even now. And that is an admirable quality. This was my fault. And all that you went through because of it. If you could find it in your heart to believe me and forgive me, then we can start anew.
Yes. Oh. This show is so good. Oh, that's so sweet.
We'd like you to sign this and take ours,
Oh.
if the idea appeals to you.
You want me to be a Cuthbert?
Oh,
A
yes.
real Cuthbert?
We do. We want our name to belong to you.
This makes me so
incredible, huh? Shouldn't we hold hands over a running stream and pledge ourselves to each other as Cuthberts forever? Or prick our fingers and mingle our blood as a symbol of our lasting devotion? As someone who has never belonged to anyone before, I believe that this is a matter of much solemnity. Don't you?
Go. Sign in.
No, I can't believe this is really happening.
Yes, it is.
Calm yourself, Anne. You're overexcited.
Yes, I am.
Oh.
I don't think I've ever been so excited in my whole life. Oh, my hands are shaking. With this pen, I take you, Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert, to be my family forever. To call you mine and to be yours.
It's so good.
For always.
Always.
And Cuthbert. Oh, I should add the Shirley. I'll do it over. And Shirley Cuthbert. It should be hyphenated, don't you agree? I'll add that in too. And since it's official, it should probably be Anne Shirley Cuthbert of Green Gables, nee Halifax. Could I add Cordelia too? I've always wanted to be a Cordelia. And Cordelia.
All right, that's enough now.
Next Sunday on a new
Oh. That's a really good episode. I love that. Oh shit. Wow. Really good episode, guys. Again, another good episode. Really great. I enjoyed it so much. I love it so much. Thank you. Thank you guys for suggesting this. You know, it's never crossed my mind before that I would check the show because I'm not into drama. Obviously, you know why? Because I'm an emotional person. I cry so easily. So I don't really do drama. But yeah, I enjoy this so much. It's just Anne. Her personality is just so great. And yeah, and also Marilla acting tough in front of her because, you know, she's Marilla, even if she's so worried. And I believe that she liked Anne, but she doesn't want to show it because it would appear weak. I understand her. Yeah, and these people in this town is just really so bad. They're so judgmental. But I hope that as this show goes, they're gonna learn to accept Anne because it's Anne. How can you not like her, right? It's a really good show. I'm just so thankful for you guys, and also thank you to Amy K for suggesting this show. I really love it. And also, and of course to Cheryl Coffin for the Wynonna Earp. Really good show too. I just so love this show. So let me know your thoughts about this show in the comment section down below, and hit the heart button here on Patreon if you like my reaction to this show, and with an E. And yeah, I'm gonna watch the second one, the next one right after this. So it's gonna be 2 shows in a day. And by the time you're watching this on Patreon, another one it has been already be posted also. So check it out. Please check it out. And I enjoy this show, and I'm just so thankful for all your support. And thank you for watching.